Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just filmed about a good 3 minutes of content and it wasn't even recorded. You know what? It wasn't meant for me to start right then. It wasn't meant for me. It's things that's meant for everybody. That wasn't for me. That wasn't for me to start right then. I'll never know why, probably. OMG, her hair said they solved the problem. They said they solved the issue that we in the community have been having with our wigs. Y'all know how I use my ear tab, my own natural, like this hair right here that's coming out of my face. I usually cut the wig right there so I can just use my own natural ear tab and it makes the wig look 10 times better to me. My opinion, okay? Wig tabs. But OMG, her hair said, listen, we got you. We have been listening and we have been not judging. And we understand the problem with those wig tabs right there. Now, this is what they say. You know how we'll see. Because if not, y'all don't come to me for it. They told me this. When you want to wear your wig glueless, right, you can have it real good and ignorant. And it can look real snatched. It could be pressed down and runneth over right here on your forehead. Bam! Looking good. Looking almost melted, right? And then you come down here and the wig part of the ear tab always lifts up. It flaps up, right? Y'all know what I'm talking about? Sometimes you don't want to have to... You know some people who do wigs glueless? It'll be glueless all around here, but they'll tack down the sides. You know why? Those sides after a while will start doing like this. It will flop up. And baby, don't be at the staff meeting with the side of your wig flopping up on me, embarrassing me and your cousins like that. Don't do that. Okay, y'all, we're just about to take a look at this. I'm just finished. I need to talk to y'all. Bam. Let's look. You know what this means? Do not flop your wig. If you don't know what flop means, ask your cousins down in the comments. They'll tell you. Ooh, honey, I got blonde. Ooh, I was feeling real feisty, wasn't I? 22 inches blonde ombre, 200% density, wavy texture. Look at this hairline, baby. They pluck. OMG, her hair is not playing with y'all on this plucking. I done told y'all that. You're not gonna sit up here and sat over there and sit over there and sat over there and sit there and tell me don't I tell y'all about they plucking? Baby, they pluck. They putting y'all, so y'all better get on y'all pre-plucking. I'm talking to the other companies now. Look at that. Look at that. They didn't have to pluck, so look at that. Now that has shape. Look, it has feature. It has personality. Look how it go up to the side with pride, like a little hill over there. It's got a little swoop on the inside of it to the sides of the face of the above the eyebrow section of it. You understand? Look how they did that. They didn't have to do that so beautifully. And that's through the bag. I ain't even that's through the bag. And listen, that's not even the feature we here to talk about. I have grown to really like this company. I ain't gonna hold you, man. My good friends in the business, they been on OMG hair. I'm late to the party. I am late to the party, honey, but I have arrived. They not playing, big baby. Why did I get this blonde? Listen, I'm gonna work it though. You get an attitude if you want to. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't even see the lace. Y'all can't, don't get up here lying. Your mama ain't raised you to lie like that. Now, it's not gonna look like that on my head. Cause I'm beautiful and brown. So we may have to still tint, but baby, look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Look at it. The purpose of this is for the ear tab. There's supposed to be this little soft clip right here that holds down right there on that ear tab. No more flopping. So you can wear it truly glueless. Okay, so this is the cap. Now, I'm going to see if I can wear this glue. But y'all, I'm going to be honest with you. When I see stuff like this, it makes me want to melt. It makes me want to melt. Look how beautiful that is. Because I know what's about to happen. And the lace is pre-cut. This is going to hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship, baby. This right here, you see the silicone strip? And look at that stretch. This is the cap now. This is not an attachment. This is the actual cap with the silicone strips for a nice, ignorant, glueless fix. So we gonna be all right with the glueless. It's just how those sides gonna come at it. Now this right here is what I want you to look at. You see these two things right here? I'm trying to figure out what this is. Obviously what the little soft clip is. That's what they call it, a soft clip. Am I supposed to take this off? You see these two things right here? That's supposed to hold on to your ear tab, but I feel something up under there. Hold a minute now. Let me do a little research, baby. Looking for a 100% glueless wig, but frustrated that it doesn't cover your sideburns? Or do you have a wig that covers your sideburns, but still need glue for a secure fit? They've got you covered.
That's what they say.
Our newly invented hairline-covered glueless wig combines the best of both worlds, offering full sideburn coverage without any need for glue. This design features a thin and soft hairline fixed clip that keeps the wig securely in place even around the sideburns for a truly glueless wear and go experience. Anti-slip structure, pre-cut lace, C-shaped design to match the ear shape so the wig is not laying over top of your ear. Featherlike mesh cap. So the clip isn't necessarily a clip in how you may think. I see. It's not necessarily a clip. I was wondering, y'all, is it gonna pull your the sideburns out? Like if you clip it right there. It's not a clip, like a clip. It's basically they added a little weight right there so it can't flop up. It's not a clip in the way we would think. So it's nothing that'll pull your hair out. It's basically adding weight right here. And when I say weight, I don't mean heavy. Adding enough weight so it cannot flop. Basically, I get it. They say they have the key. I'm going to just throw it on and see real quick so I can just get the feel for it. Then we're going to work it out. Girl, you working that hair. Thank you. This is supposed to be truly glueless, but I'm probably going to, y'all, I ain't going to hold you. That hairline look too good to me not to melt. They plucked that so well, I want to melt it. How'd they do that? Okay, let me just throw it on and see. I have not tinted anything yet, so don't really hold that against me. Ooh. Oh, y'all. That's wig. You see that thing right there? It's kind of like weight. Put that weight on it. Honey. Y'all, I just put this on just to toss it on and see. Y'all, I'm about to do this wig. It's over with. This literally feels snug all around, even right here. Even right here, it feels together. Oh, wow. Dude, this is great. Y'all, let's style this wig. Hold a minute. Wait. This is good.